Want to get certified with Google? Apart from this, win some cool goodies also. So this video is perfectly for you. Here we'll be learning GenAI concepts and more. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming to the homepage directly, this is Google Launchpad for Women's International Women's Day edition. Here we'll be learning about the foundational concepts and understanding the basics of GenAI, including learning about the large language models, AI spectrum, ecosystem, and more. Also, you'll be getting a chance to get recognized certification. Here, you have to simply attend 2-day virtual meeting. Means there'll be sessions, you have to just attend it. It will be from March 11th and 12th. And once you complete this session, once you watch this session, you'll be getting a 2-day exam voucher worth $99 free of cost. Okay, here you have to just join the event. Also, if you don't know about the concept, you'll be having a certification preparation office hours. They'll be guiding you throughout the journey. How does the exams happen? What is the criteria? What kind of questions are asked? That will be also held on 19th of March and 26th on March. Okay, so you'll be getting proper guidance. Do not worry. You will be having to just attend the sessions. You'll be learning about GenAI. After that, you can just give the certification also. You'll be getting a voucher free of cost. And after that, once you are certified, you'll be getting $50 US voucher gift card. Yes, you'll be able to redeem swags, and this is for everyone, okay, who so passes the exam. So here you can see all these agendas are there, which will be live from 11th of March. Welcome kickoff, module 1, 2, foundational concepts of GenAI. After that, there will be some GenAI landscape, AI apps transformation. Then there will be some more sessions and office hours. You can see these are your guidance who will be guiding you throughout the journey. They are officially working from Google, and you can see these are your instructor. So make sure to register it. How to register it is very simple. You have to simply click on register. So you might be wondering that here access code is asking. So from here you can see this is the form link. You have to simply copy this form link and simply paste over here on a new tab. Hit enter. Now here you have to just request the team for access code. Now here you have to enter your first name, last name, company name. If you are studying in college, university, you can mention your college name also, or your company name also. Now here you have to add your corporate email address. Okay, you can try your college email address also if it works, and then you have to add your personal email address also, and then from which country you are joining. It's a global certification event, so everyone can join. So you have to simply select your country and then submit it. Once they approve your code, you'll be getting the code via email, and then you can just simply enter the access code next, and the registration process will be done simultaneously. So it's very easy, and as we are in the February itself, okay, so you'll be having time from March also, so you can hurry up and register, and do check the videos for important information. Also, we have multiple hackathons going on parallelly, whether it's GenAI Master Hackathon, whether it's AI for Bharat Hackathon. All links are in the description. Make sure to check it out. And if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade program, for that also you can check the description box. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.